Hi friends! Today we're going to do an unboxing of both of these toys at the same time. I didn't want my boys to fight over the little coats that are in there.
Whoa!
So, Thomas is going to open up the Science Learning Lab set and Jamison is going to open up the Doctor playset. And they're both from GiftInTheBox and designed for ages 3 and up.
Wow! Look at these one. Nice. Open that door. That one doesn't open it.
Got a whole bunch of stuff in there, huh?
Wow!
Oh, you can put water in there. Cool, you have a little doctor's bag. You gonna put all your medical supplies in there? Be a doctor. What do you got, Thomas? You got little funnels. Yeah, you got a whole set of funnels in there. Super cool. You open the bag up?
I'm opening the bag up. I'm gonna open the bag up. Mommy, Thomas's.
Here you go, babe.
Wow!
Whoa, look at that. You got a doctor's coat. Jamison. Dr. Jamison. Whoa, look at that. Let's see how this works. Oh, look at that.
Okay.
You do.
Oh dear.
There you go. Is there another one in there? Oh, look at you. Let me see it. Let me see it. Good job, Bubba. All right, look. You put the other one on top like this.
I got that.
Oh, wow. You got cute little glasses. Oh my goodness, it's a blood pressure cuff.
You squeeze it. Squeeze it. Squeeze it.
Oh, that's super cute.
You have yours over there.
Can we get both cups?
Nope, this one stays over here. This is Thomas's stuff, okay? You got all this stuff.
Oh, they'll take care of that in a minute. We gotta get your lab coat on, you mad scientist.
Whoa! Look at that, Mr. Scientist Thomas. We got Dr. Jamison and Scientist Thomas. Oh, cool. You got little test tubes. You can put all your water in there. Oh, that's cool, Jamison. Is that for the medicine? You give him a shot? You guys, these are both really cute kits. These would make really good birthday or Christmas gifts. These also would have been really fun, I think, Halloween costumes. So keep this in mind for next year. I'll share the link in the description below if you want to check these out for your own kids. Just adorable. How about we put some water in there and play with the toys?
Mommy. Okay. Let's get water in there. Get water in there. Let's cup. Wiggle.
No, that goes with the science set over here. Hey, look. You put some gloves on?
Yeah.
Got some science gloves.
Two. I got my gloves too. Where's my gloves?
So cool.
My gloves too.
You gonna put your glasses back on?
Yeah.
You have glasses, mister. And a mask. Super cool. This is a fun gift for right now, teaching kids the importance of wearing a face mask.
I'm popping it.
Yeah, and you got some big old gloves there, Bubba.
Wow. Look.
Stop shifting your hand.
I'm doctor too.
Your doctor?
I'm doctor for you.
What happens if you push the button?
Are you in it? Are you in it? There's a doctor. Oh, this.
Doctor, put this back on.
Whoa.
Alright, put this back on your ears. What happens if you push this button? Oh, look. So you listen to your heart? Oh my goodness. So when you press it down, it makes a heartbeat sound. That's really cool.
My water wheel! My water wheel!
I think this one's supposed to do something, but it doesn't look like it's working.
So it's working now too.
Some kind of a thermometer. You got your little deal. And the stethoscope, I think, is
water.
really cool.
Water. Oh, use this one. Use this one. Squeeze the top. Oh, you missed it.
And the blood pressure cuff is super cool.
One there.
Sit in there.
Cool. Guys, there. This fun little guy.
Yes. Yeah.
Sit down, Jamison. Sit down.
Okay, mommy. It's got one in there, mommy.
A cool doctor's bag to put everything inside. Oh, look at that. You got Band-Aid stickers.
Oh.
And the mask.
It's Band-Aid. The Band-Aid. The Band-Aid. The Band-Aid.
I think there's supposed to be a name tag or something. There we go. Look, you got a name tag. So look at that. We put your name on there. Look. You slip it right in there, like that.
Oh.
Super cool. Oh, look at Mr. Thomas. And this, he's got a name tag. Oh my goodness, you can even put a photo on there. And this goes around your neck.
There's a toy in there, okay?
Don't drink it. So Thomas's toy set comes with gloves and a scientist coat and his name tag. This little test tube set. And it even has little lids for the test tubes. Like that. And all these little beakers. Fill that up with water. Look at that. Squeeze it. Good job, Bubba. My kids are obsessed with water, so this will be fun for a really long time. And this is like a little stirrer thing. So you can stir your little potions.
Whoa!
There are 4 of these in different colors. So they can draw the water up. Put it in their little test tubes. And then close the lid up.
More water!
No, that
Comes
is
with
the
some
second one.
tweezers, so you can pick stuff up. Then you've got some safety goggles, or safety glasses. Look at that, Bubba. Look up.
I got you.
Super cool. That's cute. Safety glasses.
I got it.
Say, I'm a scientist. He's like, no. Can you say, I'm a doctor?
I got it.
And so let's see, we've got this little guy. It has actual legit measurement marks on it. Super cool. This is actually a pretty realistic little kit here. This beaker even has the measurement tools on it.
Okay.
I would say this is super cool. What do you think? You like it? Is it fun?
Oh,
Is it fun? Hey, what do you think, Thomas?
someone who do water.
You-
I drink water.
Do you like it?
I drink it, okay?
Gotta squeeze it. Here, when you stick it in there. Okay, stick it in the water.
I'm water.
Squeeze.
I'm water. You
Squeeze the top, like do that. Now, squeeze in there. Squeeze it. Oh, look at that. Oh, all right, squeeze it.
I dropped it.
You gotta squeeze it, Thomas. So another thing that comes with the scientist lab kit is this set of 3 funnels. They're different sizes. It's pretty cool. So
I popped in it.
you can put cool stuff in there. Your funnel for your science experiments. And measuring spoons. And these are actually real measuring spoons. So you could legitimately use these in the kitchen. I don't know if I can focus on the here. It says 7.5 milliliters, 2.5 milliliters, 1 milliliter,
Oh my
and
my cup too.
5 milliliter
Okay.
set. And it also has like the teaspoon and tablespoon measurements on there as well.
It's my
Pretty cool.
cup, okay? It's my cup.
So let's see how all your stuff fits into your doctor bag, Jamison. What's it look like in there? Cool.
Pick up, okay?
No, this one belongs over here. Pick up your doctor stuff. Here, you got this guy. And some sticker band-aids.
You picking it up? So done picking it up.
No, you gotta get your stethoscope.
Cool.
So leave your name tag in there.
Okay.
And then you got your mask. And then, oh, we got this guy too. Stick that guy in there.
I dropped it on the floor. So run in there.
So all of these little doctor toys fit very nicely inside the medical bag for easy storage. So if you want to throw that kit in the van and take it somewhere when you're traveling, it's easy to take with you.
Okay.
What do you think, Mr. Thomas? Thomas really loves to play with water, so this is going to be a big hit. I think they both do, so I think they could spend hours playing with this, pouring water everywhere. It'd probably be a good idea to have a waterproof tablecloth or something underneath it here,
Jamison.
just in case they start pouring the water everywhere.
Just take this. Put it in the water. Squeeze. Squeeze again. Do it again. No, put it from here. Squeeze. You didn't squeeze.
Nope, you gotta squeeze it.
Squeeze.
See it pick the water up.
Squeeze.
Look at that! Squeeze it. Oh, good job!
You gotta get water in your butt.
Can you do it, Thomas?
I gotta do one too. Okay.
Oh, good job. Come over here and see you easier. Squeeze the water out of there. Squeeze. There, look at all that water. Now where are you gonna put it? Here, put it in. Squeeze it in. No, wait. Squeeze it in this test tube. Put water in there. Good job.
Drink.
No, we're not drinking it. We're just playing with it. And squeeze. Remember, you gotta squeeze when it's in the water. It picks the water up. Good job. So this is a fun toy for water play.
See water.
Squeeze. There you go. Good job. Thomas, can you do it? Here, you gonna take your gloves off? Here, let's take your gloves off.
Go one.
No, it's hard for you to squeeze with the gloves on.
Go one.
Here.
One.
Squeeze in there. Put it in the water. Squeeze. Put it in your test tube. Good job, guys. I think you got the hang of it. Oh, Thomas, you gotta squeeze. Come on, put it there and squeeze. There. There. Good job. What do you think, guys? Do you like it?
Yeah.
Say thank you, friends.
Thank you, friends. Thank you, friends.
Thank you so much for watching. Have a blessed week. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe below.